today I'm gonna be playing with this. So this is a little tub that I got really long time ago. Came with my Color color conditioner that's purple. This thing I've never actually used, and it's the same color as the conditioner, this purple, and it's hair wax. It's supposed to kind of dry and give you the color.
On dry hair, apply product to selected areas with hands, working through hair until desired look is achieved. Let dry for 5 to 10 minutes or speed up the dry time with a blow dryer. Depending on thickness and color of hair, more product may be needed. To soften, hold, manipulate with hands. Brush and comb or the hair once the product has dried. Wash hands. Product may rub off into clothing if not completely dry.
Work with your hand. No! It says to work through selected areas. So I'm gonna start with this little piece right here. All right, kids, I decided I was gonna voice over this because the conversation that I was having with the mirror just wasn't that interesting this time around. So here's me basically putting purple goop in my hair. Now, I started to realize that this shit was crunchy as fuck. So fucking crunchy. I don't know what I was doing. Also, I'm not a hairdresser like my cousin Shirley, so clearly this is not going in the right places. Also, my hands were starting to get purple. Shit was going bonkers. I don't know what I was doing, but I was pushing through and I was gonna continue. So I just kept putting more purple goop in my hair, convinced that at some point, it would look completely purple. Now, kids, clearly I was wrong because this is almost half of my head, and all it's done is give me some weird type of purple/silver tint. It is not doing what I wanted it to do, and my hair is just getting crunchier and crunchier. Look at it by the minute. It's so uneven. Brad Mondo and every other hairdresser that's on YouTube would be insanely disappointed. So I continue. Now I'm moving on to my bangs. I'm doing the other side. Now the bangs didn't come out that bad because there's not that much hair to play with. I think the problem here is that my hair is so dark, so this lightish purple just was not working with my head. Yet I still continue. My scalp is probably purple. I would not be surprised if it was. So, I just continued putting more purple goop in my hair because that's going to help the situation. At this point, I got fucking frustrated and I was like, you know what, fuck it. I don't even care anymore. We're not even gonna try. Because before we were, I guess you could say, trying. Not anymore. Now we're just gonna dump as much of it as we can in our hair. Who cares? It's already crunchy. Let it be as crunchy as it can possibly be. Clearly, I don't give a fuck. So I'm continuing. The hair is just super crunchy now, looks super uneven. I was hoping it would look like highlights, but clearly that didn't happen either. Now my hands are purple, my fingers are purple.
That's nasty.
Hands purple, hair crunchy, mom spaghetti. Yeah. So now that I had already cried about how this wasn't working out, I decided, wait, they said to dry it. Maybe if you dry it, it'll look better. Maybe it's just because it's wet goop. Maybe if it's dry goop, it'll be better. So I proceeded to brush, and I then confirmed that my hair was crunchy as hell, which is why I couldn't stop laughing like an idiot. Also, look at my brush. It's purple. This is insane. My brush is dirty now. It's crunchy. My hair looks salty. It looks greasy, actually. This look ain't cute, mamita. I don't know what I was thinking in the moment. This ain't cute.
Just for today, not L'Oreal special, you can get a nice blowout. Just call 1-800 Kayci Photo per hair.
So at this point, I brushed out my hair and I had already blow dried it. And I thought, well, It's better than it looked before. It did dry into my hair, but my hair was still left feeling very, very, very crunchy, and my brush was extremely purple. So unless someone is putting this into my hair who is a professional hairdresser, I would not use it again. I did not get the result I wanted.
That's it for Crunchy McBunchy's video. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Send to your friends. All right, bye. Have a happy quarantine.
Oh,